Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the move your keyboard on this tablet. Firstly, just access settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now tap on System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, Slow Ceramic Click and Gboard. After that, tap on Theme section over here and scroll down. Now you need to choose Show More at the bottom right corners of those sections and tap on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. From here you can manage key borders by tapping on this switcher. And when you're ready, select Apply to save your keyboard. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time customize your keyboard by tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can find it over here, you can click on those three lines at the top left corner, tap on one of those sources, like Downloads, and select your photo then. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust the brightness by swiping left or right on the slider. After that, tap on Done. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and finally choose Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!